Baby ears in the front, look at that. Very flawless, guys. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Alright guys, so we're back today with another talk through hair video install. So this unit is very simple. It's from omgherhair.com. So this is a straight out of the box install, guys. This was actually requested from a few subbies. So I want to do a unit today that's very simple that I literally pulled out the box. So I did absolutely nothing to this one. The lace is still attached, no customizations whatsoever. I did go ahead and add the adjustable strap to it that the company sends with the unit. It is a bob style. It is a kinky texture, guys. And as you guys can see, the unit does have the curly kinky edges or kinky edges on this one, so it gives you more of a natural, realistic look. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop the unit on. With this unit, I already realized that the unit is pretty glueless with the cap, with the strap. So with this one, I was going to glue it down, but then I was like, nah, I'm not gonna waste my time gluing this one down just because it's not necessary to glue this unit down. So let me show you guys right here. So it did come to me in a middle part style. You guys know I'm a medium to average cap size head, so this unit fits me perfect. Like, it lands right here. So you guys can see the baby hairs are pulled out. So the hairline looks a little squarish, but that's because the baby hairs are kind of like, a little bit, stuck up because they're kinky. So this did come in a middle part style. And I do like the middle part style, guys, but I feel like it will look better with a side part. So I'm just going to go ahead and adjust the strap in the back and stick that comb in so that, and the comb in the back is a nice wide size comb as well too. So it fits nice. You guys see that? I don't even need to glue this down. Look at it. It lands, and the kinky edges kind of help you a little bit. So what I'm gonna do with this unit is I'm gonna take my hot comb real quick before I cut the lace off, because I just want to make sure that I get some of this baby hair to kind of lay down. I know some people go ahead and straighten the baby hair out, but I just want to kind of like soften it out a little bit. Just so that it's not too stuck on the front ear and looks a little bit more realistic. So I'm just gonna put the hot comb on a few sections just to kind of flatten it out of the parting space. Y'all kind of see what I mean? And even on this ear tab section right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and just, pull it out a little bit. And I might actually just straighten a little bit of this out here so you guys can actually see the length of the sideburns on the side right here. So like something like that. Y'all see that? So I did that on that side. And I don't think I'm going to wear this one in a middle part style, guys. I think I'm just going to do like a little bit of a flip on this one just to make it look more realistic. So we're just going to straighten this out like slightly. And on the sides here, we just pull some of the hair out just to make sure that it's not stuck to the perimeter and that it looks spacey and natural. Y'all see that? Like that. So with this one, I think I'm probably going to do it kind of like a natural look like this. So I'm going to go ahead with this heat protecting spray that I got at the beauty supply store. It's a really good spray, guys. I realized that I have not been using my heat protecting sprays, but once I started using these sprays, the heat protecting sprays in general, this one's actually really, really good. It's just been helping the hair not be so damn dry. So I'm going to spray that in the parting space, and I'm going to go ahead and take the hot comb, and I'm just going to press it a little bit. Not to straighten it, but press it just to make sure that everything covers and everything stays flat. So hopefully you guys are appreciating this part of the video. I usually don't show like the, show like the customization part. I'll show you guys how I do the baby hair and stuff, but I'm basically showing you guys on my head how I prep the unit. Usually I prep my units off the head, and on the mannequin head it just makes it so much easier for me. But for the sake of today's video, and because it was requested, I want to show you guys what a straight out of the box unit looks like and how to prep it in no time so that you can step out to whatever event you have. So I'm just cleaning the parting space up. I was trying to get it as curvy as I can. I want to make sure that this part stays open. Obviously the baby hair is here, so you gotta open that part up. Okay. I feel like there's like a little bit of hair right here. So yeah, so like I said, I'm just cleaning the part up, opening the part up. There it goes. Cool. Okay. So now that I have the part that I want, I think this part is pretty good. Yes, honey. I think this part looks really good. I'm gonna go ahead now and cut the lace. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip both sides. Because this side is gonna be covered, I'm really gonna work more on this side, but I will actually work on both sides so I can show you guys. I'm gonna cut the lace off, but as far as working on the baby hairs, but because I'm not gonna glue this unit down, it should be pretty simple. So I'm just gonna cut the lace around the perimeter, guys. This would be easier if you had a blade, but I don't have a blade, so we're gonna go ahead and get it done like this. guys, so now that the lace is cut off, you guys can see right here, look at how this is not glued down. So here's the ear tab sections right here. This is one thing I love about omgherhair.com. You guys see that? So the ear tab section basically stays pretty flat, and because of the little kinky baby hairs, it stays down flat pretty well. So what I like to do is just press against the lace just to make sure that it stays flat. And then on this side, obviously you guys know that I straighten that little part. I'm not straightening, just straighten it a little bit. So I'm going to pull the lace back there. And then on this side right here, you just kind of want to play with the baby hairs. Like you want to take a section, like, and then pull this down, and then maybe like pull this up a little bit, you know? So it kind of opens up some of the space, so it's not too gappy. And even this spot right here, you want to maybe fold that one back into here. And then you have more of like a natural kind of sideburn area. Y'all see that? Looks very, very realistic. So I'm going to just spray a little bit of this on here, and I'm going to put the hot comb through. So I'm not going to straighten it, but I'm just going to hot comb through the unit. Just a quick pass. Oh, it would look cute if I flipped it too. Wow. Oh, that would actually look really cute. A little flippy, but I'm not. So I'm going to just put it through and then just, you know, straighten the ends, bump the ends with the hot comb. So if you don't want to lose the texture, just use a hot comb instead of use a strainer. The strainer is just going to really give you, you know, it's going to be bone straight. So there you guys go for this side right here. I think this side looks really, really good. It's a nice length too. I'm only going to do the front, guys, like I said. Now for this side right here, just gonna pull that part back right here and just lightly put my hot comb on it. Y'all see that? In certain sections, because we don't want it to all look, you know, too, you know what I mean, guys. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray the top right here, and we're gonna go ahead and just straighten this out a little bit so it's not too up there, because it does have a good amount of kink to it, but I don't want to run the hot comb through it too much so I could take away some of the kink. For this section, I actually feel like the hair looks cute with like if it had like a little bit of like a layered effect right here, like a bang. Oh my god, this is so freaking cute. Look at this, guys. Very natural. For my natural girls out there, you could actually leave your edges out on this unit as well too. So I'm gonna go ahead and just bump this, I guess, at the ends, just to make sure that it has like a little bit of a bob scoop underneath. And yeah, so I think this is really cute. Voila. Alright guys, so this is the finished look of the unit. A very, very gorgeous style unit. Now I did go in with my Even Wonder Lace and just do an all over spray on the top of the unit for flyaways or anything like that. So this is a great product for install. Obviously you guys know I did not install this unit today using that because it's a glueless unit. Shout out to omgherhair.com, guys. Very, very fabulous. I think that this came out really cute. I love the fact that it's a kinky texture and that it looks very, very nice, and there's a great bounce to it at the same time, so the hair does have good flow. The unit is a bit on the thicker side, guys, but it's not too thick. I think it's actually perfect. And obviously you guys saw today I did not actually straighten this hair out. I just used a hot comb just to get a little bump on the bottom and just to flatten the top out. So I kind of left the texture in here so you guys can see the texture. The hair is absolutely stunning. I feel like this lays pretty flat, guys, if you manipulate the baby hairs using the hot comb instead of using like gels and stuff like that, which gets kind of gunky and messy. And I feel like it doesn't look realistic when you have baby hairs on kinky hair that's kind of like glued and plastered down. I feel like a little frizz and a little, you know, a little razzle dazzle looks fine. So I think that this one came out very nice, guys. Absolutely love this one. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I was a little bit shocked by this one, very impressed. Like I said, it's a little bit on the thicker side, but it just gives such realistic vibes. If you're a natural girl, you honestly could pull this behind your hairline and just leave some of your natural hair on the front. And the wig cap, I'm a medium to average cap size head, guys. This unit fits my head to the T. I adjusted the strap in the back, and this unit, no glue whatsoever. So I love it. I'll go ahead and show you guys this side because I know you guys are probably looking. This side is covered up too, guys, as you guys can see. Didn't do that much of that side because I'm not utilizing that side, but y'all get kind of the picture with this one. Like, look it, okay? Add a little layer in the front right here. Put some like curls in here, or some nice like water wave curls in this unit, this bob. I think it will look absolutely stunning. But you guys can see the unit is flawless. Let me come up, show you guys a little baby hairs in the front. Look at that. Very flawless, guys. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Like this, my hair, wig wear, like wig wear, Glueless AF, like fresh bob. Like, come on guys, like come on. So I'll leave all the information down below guys, including coupon code if you're interested in purchasing this unit from omgherhair.com, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.